Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and are you a little bit of a food hoarder like I am? If you are, you may be looking to free up some of that prime real estate in your kitchen cabinets. And an amazing solution for me lately has been these Lunememo magnetic shelves. The installation of these shelves could not be simpler or easier. They cling onto the side of my fridge and are ready to use in minutes. I have found the magnets on these shelves to be really strong, which makes them capable of handling a fair amount of weight. They have absolutely no problem supporting all the spices from my spice cupboard. I am really enjoying how having these shelves means that all of my spices are out in the open. I can now say goodbye to groping and searching through my dark corner cabinet where my spices were before. To maximize the storage capacity even more, these shelves come with these little hooks that snap right onto them. With these hooks, I can store my kitchen utensils, my oven mitts, really anything that I keep in the kitchen that I want to have quick, easy access to. I absolutely love how practical these magnetic shelves are, and they have made excellent use of this space on the side of my fridge. And that's my point of view.